Education doesn't matter if it's something people don't care about. I don't give a about learning English, Shakespearean, valedictorian, whatever. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about my thoughts on college. And this one's going to be a little bit different. I didn't script this one. I didn't make an outline. I didn't make a storyboard. I'm just gonna give you guys my real thoughts from the top of my head. I'm just gonna ramble. Before we get started, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. You know what to do. Get that algorithm on our side so I can keep making videos like this, and also I can get paid on YouTube. So one of the biggest questions I get, do I think college is worth it? Should I go to college? I'm in college right now. Should I drop out? I think you guys asked me because I dropped out of college, obviously. If you don't know my story, go ahead and check that out here. But you guys asked me a lot of these questions about college, what my thoughts are and what you guys should do. College is worth it if that's what you are passionate about. A lot of people say,
don't bash college. Education stays with you forever.
Education doesn't matter if it's something people don't care about. You have to care about the education for it to matter. It doesn't matter if no one can take it away from you. I don't give a about learning English, Shakespearean, valedictorian, whatever. I don't care about that. I'm interested in people. I'm interested in psychology. Would I go to college for psychology? Maybe. At some point when I'm done making money. That is what I'm interested in. I don't care about English. And I think the unfortunate part about college, people force you to go because they make you think it's the only way out, only way to make money, which is completely untrue. If you take a look, a lot of college graduates end up unemployed. And that's why I'm kind of against college, because you can't take someone that's 18, force them to take a loan, a huge loan on a bunch of money just to pay for school, and then from there they have to figure their life out. You can't do that. You have to allow them to explore and see what they like to do. So here are my thoughts on college. I do think college isn't bad if it's something you want to pursue, like a STEM degree, engineering, if you're gonna be a lawyer, a doctor. College is great for that. If you want to become an entrepreneur, you want to start your own business, why the would you go to business class to learn business from someone that doesn't own a business? Let me say that again. Why the would you go to business class to learn business from someone that doesn't own a business? It makes no sense. When you have all the information online, shit, I have a course that's like 49 bucks. You guys could buy it, plug, click the link, and that'll teach you more than any business class will about marketing, owning a business, about starting a business, because I'm someone that's done it at a young age. When it comes to college, do I think it's worth it? In certain occasions, but do you need it to make money? No. If your sole goal is to make money, you don't need college, and that's where people argue. People also argue that college is a safety net. There's no such thing as a safety net. When COVID happened, my mom lost her job. My little brother, they furloughed him. They both had to stop working because COVID, it was something out of their control. The only difference between college and owning a business is you don't own the business. Because if you own a business and your business goes under, you're screwed. But if you don't own a business, the business goes under, you're also screwed. It's not a safety net if you're under someone else's whim when you have no control of the situation. That's why when people say college is a safety net, I really ask them, is it? There's people with college degrees that are unemployed, that don't even make a lot of money. You can make more money at a sales job than most people with college degrees, unless it's in STEM. Is a college degree really a safety net? No, it's not. Here's where people confused a little bit. They assume that everyone is going to college for STEM, when in reality, I don't know the number off the top of my head. I want to say maybe 20% of people in college will end up getting STEM degrees. For those of you that don't know what STEM is, when I say STEM, science, technology, engineering, or mathematics. So for those people that don't have STEM degrees, they have regular degrees, they're not making that much money. College is not a safety net for them. Now, you also have the people that have this train of thought. Oh, the reason that people aren't getting paid is because they're not getting degrees where you make a lot of money. But they never stop to think, what if they don't like that? I'm not gonna like the same thing as every other 18-year-old on the planet. Me and my little brother grew up the same. We share the same genetics. We have completely separate interests. Me and my neighbor next door, my neighbor over there, my neighbor downstairs, we might not have any of the same interests. So why are you gonna force us to do the same thing? If your job is to make money, you don't need college. If college involves your passion, I definitely think you should go to college. That's almost guaranteed to you. Become a doctor, you're almost guaranteed a job. Anything else, I don't know what your English degree is gonna get you. I don't know what your literature degree is gonna get you. Even these agencies now are starting to hire people without marketing degrees. Elon Musk himself said that he doesn't look for degrees anymore. He looks for the skills.
There's no need even to have a college degree at all. Or even high school. If somebody graduated from a great university, that may be an indication that they will be capable of great things, but it's not necessarily the case. Bill Gates, Larry Ellison, Steve Jobs, these guys didn't graduate from college.
Yes, you have an engineering degree from MIT, you probably get a job at SpaceX, but if I built a rocket from scratch in my backyard, I can almost guarantee they're gonna hire me anyways, or they're gonna put me on as a consultant. Ultimately, it's about these skills, and college teaches a certain amount of skills, but some stuff is not needed in the world. College does not prepare someone for the world. And that's why I have this gripe against college, because what you're seeing is you're seeing a lot of kids that don't know what to do with their life, getting forced into college, forced to pick something they don't like to do, and end up miserable for the rest of their lives. And that's what I want to avoid. I want to avoid people being miserable for the rest of their lives. I want people to be happy, doing what they're passionate about, doing things they like. That's what I think we should be as a society. Just to keep the video short, do I think college is worth it? It depends. In most situations, most cases, college is not worth it. But in certain situations, when you want to become an engineer, doctor, go to college. Outside of that, your education, learn what you're passionate about, do what you love, turn that into a business, use the internet, learn about it anyways. You can find everything on the internet and find a way to turn your passion into profit. It doesn't matter what it is. With all of the tools now, the internet, social media, we're able to make anything that we like, turn all of our passions into profits. Don't buy into the myth that college is a safety net. Don't buy into the myth that college is the only way, because it's not. It might be for you, and every person's situation is different. Am I hating on college? A little bit, but I'm not saying it's bad. I'm saying education is what's needed. You just have to find the education that's right for you and what you like to do. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Break rules, never make them. She act up, I replace her.